Unbounce versus Builderall. Which one is the best landing page software? If you're looking to create high-converting landing pages, you're likely considering these two platforms. But which one is truly worth your time and money? In this video, we'll dive into the features, pros, and cons of both Unbounce and Builderall, and by the end, I'll reveal a better alternative that might just change how you approach landing page creation. Let's kick it off by talking about Unbounce. Known for its powerful drag-and-drop builder, Unbounce promises easy customization with a sleek and professional interface. You get a lot of flexibility with their pre-designed templates, plus tools like A/B testing and dynamic text replacement to boost conversions. But while it's great for marketers looking to build landing pages quickly, its pricing can be a little high, especially if you're just starting out or on a tight budget. Next thing, let's talk about Builderall. Builderall tries to cover more than just landing pages by offering a full suite of marketing tools. Alongside landing page creation, you get tools for email marketing, webinars, and even a website builder. If you're someone who likes having everything in one place, Builderall seems like a solid option. However, while its all-in-one approach sounds appealing, its landing page builder isn't as refined or intuitive as Unbounce. It might be better for someone looking to manage multiple aspects of their business, but isn't quite as focused on creating high-converting landing pages. The third thing to consider is speed and ease of use. Unbounce is known for its user-friendly interface, and it integrates well with popular marketing tools like Google Analytics, Zapier, and Salesforce. But its learning curve can be a little steep for beginners. On the other hand, Builderall's interface is a bit cluttered, which can be overwhelming at first. But once you get the hang of it, you might appreciate having access to all those extra tools in one place. Fourth thing, let's compare the templates. Unbounce offers a library of professionally designed templates that are fully customizable. These templates are built to drive conversions and can save you time if you're not into designing from scratch. Builderall, on the other hand, also provides templates, but they're a bit more hit or miss in terms of quality. Some are great, but others feel outdated or not as polished as what you get with Unbounce. Next up, pricing. Unbounce pricing starts at around $80 per month for the basic plan, which might feel like a steep price tag for people just starting with landing pages. Builderall, in contrast, is much more affordable, with its plan starting at $19.90 per month. But remember, the lower price comes with a trade-off in terms of landing page quality and the ease of use you get with Unbounce. The last thing to keep in mind is customer support. Unbounce offers solid support with a dedicated team, 24/7 chat, and an extensive knowledge base. Builderall support, however, can be inconsistent, and while they offer various ways to contact them, many users report slower response times. Now, you're probably wondering, which one should you choose? Unbounce is great for landing page specialists who need powerful features, customization options, and top-tier performance. However, if you're looking for a budget-friendly all-in-one marketing platform and don't mind compromising on the quality of your landing pages, Builderall could be the right choice for you. But after trying both of these myself, I have to say that if you're serious about getting high-converting landing pages with ease, there's a better option out there. The software I'm recommending has a free trial and exclusive benefits that you won't find anywhere else. So, if you want to take your landing page game to the next level, check out the link in the description for the best free trial and exclusive offers. You'll get access to everything you need to create landing pages that convert, all without the steep learning curve or hefty price tag.